Hola, ¿qué tal? Welcome to Fan for Spanish Materials. Today's video is going to be about some words that are going to bring sequence to our conversations or plans. So let's have a look first at these words here. Um, the word first, primero, después, then, luego, then also, al final, at the end. This is not finally, it's at the end of something. Primero que todo, first of all, más tarde, later. This is like later in the day. Yeah. So let's have a look at this sentence. This is pretty much a description of what a person is going to do in one day, like in a day. So, primero me despierto, después me ducho y luego desayuno. Trabajo todo el día y después ceno. Descanso un poco, más tarde leo un libro y al final del día me acuesto. So, so pretty much here is primero, first, me despierto, I wake up, reflexive. Después, later or then, me ducho y luego, and then, desayuno. Me ducho, reflexive. Yeah. So far it's first I wake up, then I take a shower, and then I have breakfast. Um, después is then, but it could also mean like later. Yeah. Um, the difference between después and más tarde, it's that después can be in a month, yeah, or in a year, yeah, but could also be in a few minutes, yeah. The spectrum is bigger. Más tarde, it's like more shorter. It's like the same day. It's like later in the day, yeah. Um, we don't use más tarde for tomorrow or next week. It's later in the same day. So that's the difference. Between these two. Anyways, if you are talking about the same day, you can use both, right? Because it's like, later in the day. Yeah. So I just wanted to make clear the difference between these two, later and después and más tarde. So más tarde you're gonna use in the same day. Después you can use also in the same day or later, like in a month or years. Let's have a look at the rest of the sentence. Let's carry on here. Trabajo todo el día y después ceno. I work the whole day and then I have dinner. Descanso un poco. Más tarde leo un libro y al final del día me acuesto. Acostarse is reflexive. Me acuesto means I go to bed. So here is descanso un poco, I rest a bit. And más tarde, leo un libro, I read a book. Y al final, and at the end of the day, al final del día, me acuesto. That's it. That's a description of, I don't know, somebody's plan. Uh, you know, maybe a routine or something, to talk about what you're doing today. So yeah, these words are really important. I didn't use here primero que todo, but we can also incorporate it. First of all, I wake up, then I take a shower, and then I have breakfast. Yeah. So how do we practice this? Well, the best way is to have conversations about your routine, and about your plans. So, um, Talk about your routines and your routine and your plans. Ask others what plans or routines they have, for today, and just listen to what they say. You're going to hear this más tarde, después, luego, primero, por la noche, por la tarde, por la mañana. You're going to hear all this. And then you're going to also tell people, yeah, about your plans and use these words that we just learned to show sequence. Yeah. So use this first of all, then. Ya, primero que todo, después, más tarde, y luego, and then, o y entonces, and then, yeah. So have fun with this. This is a very nice topic, and it's gonna improve your fluency when talking about plans or sequence of things. Gracias, and yeah, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.